If you do that, this community will grow. Be nice to people. Especially those who come to our Sunday Mass. Be nice to them. Be kind to them. Let us be welcoming. Let us be friendly. Show them kindness. Talk to them. Approach them. Be friendly. Make our community a more welcoming, more friendly community. Even if we are separated by time and distance, we can still reach out to each other. I will reach out to you every time I will have a project in the Philippines. I know this is a reality. Your lives will become busy. My life will become busy in the Philippines. For some time, we will forget each other. That is the reality. But hopefully, we can still think and pray for each other sometimes, if not always. I will now dedicate this song to all of you. This is my thank you song for you. And then we will also hear from Mother Alvin. Singing my song. Thank you for sparing me moment. 'Cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me calm. Cruz.
Hindi na pala kanta. Receive ko na yung kanta ko sa kanila. Pero anyway, you know what? As priests, sabi nila, we are NPA. Ano ibig sabihin ng NPA? What does it mean? Long permanent address. We are assigned, and later on we will go. That's our life as a priest. You have address, you have permanent address, but us, we do not have. But what we have is a family that we serve. You are our family. That is why every time the priest will be assigned to the other parishes or to the other community, laging merong big gathering. There's always this pedida. There is always a big gathering of people thanking Him for His sacrifices, for His love, for this community. Because you are our family. We don't have our family, our families are away from us. But in the place that we are assigned, you are our families. Father Francis, I know that many people love you so much. Many people express their love for you. Many people will say goodbye to you. Many people will say, happy trip, have a safe trip, going back to our own diocese. Many people will miss you. Many people will really miss your homilies, your smile, and of course your love. What you have brought to them is Jesus, and you will also bring Jesus to the next parish that you will be assigned in Agno. So I, as a new chaplain for this community, I know that it is never condolence for me. Knowing that you are there, knowing that you are knowing that you are here, knowing that you will be my family, it is always be a Jesus for me. So, wishing Jesus for me. And of course, Father Francis, congratulations for 9 years of your stay, of your love, of your sacrifices for this community. And for sure, you will receive the blessing from our Lord whenever you go. It is always for Jesus, and forever for Jesus. Congratulations, Father Francis. On behalf of our Bishop, Bishop Nathaniel Sipalay, congratulations po, Father, for job well done and mission accomplished.